Just one bite of the broccoli, please. You need to eat your vegetables.
Eat the greens and you get a cupcake. You probably aren't old enough to eat broccoli anyway.
Because the human brain hates feeling controlled. This isn't magic, it's psychology. In 1966, psychologist Jack Brem introduced the theory of psychological reactance. His research suggested that when people believe their freedom is being restricted, they often become motivated to reclaim it. The more someone says, "Do not do it,"
the more attractive it can become. This is why warning labels, restricted content, and forbidden places often attract more attention than ordinary ones. Our brains don't always ask, "Is this good?" They first ask, "Why can't I have it?"
Behavioral psychologists have discovered something fascinating. People value ideas more when they believe the idea came from themselves.
This is sometimes called the IKEA effect. When we help create something, we naturally become emotionally attached to it.
That's why skilled communicators don't always give answers. Instead, they ask questions that allow the other person to reach the conclusion themselves.
Oh.
The conclusion feels personal. And personal beliefs are much harder to change.
Most people fear silence. Not because silence is dangerous, but because silence creates uncertainty. Studies in negotiation have shown that after a difficult question, the person who speaks first often gives away more information. They ask, then they wait. Silence creates pressure, and pressure often creates honesty. Imagine buying a coffee for $5. It feels expensive. Now imagine standing inside an airport, where every coffee costs $10. Suddenly, $5 feels cheap. Nothing changed except the comparison. Psychologists call this the contrast effect. Our brains don't measure value absolutely. They measure value relatively. That's why marketers carefully control what you see first.
Reverse psychology is not mind control. It doesn't work on everyone. And it should never be used to manipulate people.
But understanding these psychological principles helps you recognize when your own decisions are being influenced, because the greatest power is control over your own mind. Isn't controlling someone else's mind. It's understanding your own. Subscribe for more psychology and behavioral science explained.